Hello everyone, so I just wanted to share a quick mask. It's a neem mask, and if you're dealing with acne, problem skin, you have problematic skin with pimples and all, and if you don't want to go for any cosmetic option like over the counter prescription or just buying any sort of acne or pimple cream which you can like apply over your face, and you just want a healthy option, so you can go and buy neem leaves or neem powder from any store. These are available in any grocery store. And if you want to buy it from Amazon and or any other online website, I buy this from amazon.com. This is the multani mitti powder. This is the clear packaging I have. The neem powder is right here. I've opened up the packaging, so I mean it's in the ziploc bag, and I just don't want to take it out because it will just create a mess. So this is the clear packaging. It's just instead of multani mitti, it will be here neem powder will be written on the package. So you need to make sure instead of multani mitti, it says it's a neem powder. And the best part about neem is it really works well on pimples and acne. So I will definitely say, if you're having this problem, or if you are like a person who is having like acne or pimple like once in a while, and you really want to get rid of it without using any harmful products or anything which is like which is available in the market, and it says it gets rid of pimple. So instead you can buy just neem powder, or you can apply on the spot, and it will give you a nice relief from the acne. And I can definitely say that it worked for me. I will never say that everybody should try it and it will work for you all as well, but at least you can give it a try if you're having pimple. And this powder was like very inexpensive. It's like, I think, $8 to $10 it is. And if you just buy it from the store, it will be like $2 to $3, not more than that. But I paid extra amount for the shipping because it got shipped through Amazon from India. And I really trust this brand. That's why I got it from India through shipping. But it's, yes, it's a very good mask if you're having pimple. And the best thing is that neem, you can mix it with tomato juice, and if you apply it for like continuously 30 days, you'll definitely get rid of acne. And for me is like, just to do it real quick, I just mix it with the unboiled milk, like non-fat milk, or sometimes I just mix it with the curd. Mixing it with the curd is also really good. So you can mix neem with any of the liquid form. It's in the, it's, if it's a fruit juice, like the natural fruit juice, which you can squeeze in the lime juice, but little bit, not too much, and then add water, or you can add rose water if you want. The next time when I'll be making this mask with any of the other different mixture, I will definitely share this. And yes, you can apply it. It's just a neem powder. If you want, you just mix it with water and apply it. So this was all which I wanted to share. Thank you guys. Bye.